Welcome to our session on enhancing Playwright test scripts. Today we'll focus on how to make your test more structured and readable using test.describe and test.step. Let's dive in. So first of all, I need to make the spec file login.spec.ts. So I have just renamed. Now I'm going to the test.describe. Why this is used? First, we are just going to grouping test with test.describe. We use test.describe to group related tests together. This helps us organize our test cases into logical sections. Think of it as creating a folder for related test cases. So this is the example. Under that, I will write all of the test cases. How can I? So in this example, we are grouping our login related tests under OrangeHRM login tests description. This makes it clear that all tests within this block are related to login into OrangeHRM. So second is breaking down actions with test.steps. So those are the steps. One step, the second step, entering username and password, another step, clicking on the login button, and this is the assertion section, right? So I'm just going to write all the steps in differently. How can I? So I'm just going to write the first step. I'm just writing it there. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the thing. I'm just writing the test description. User should be able to log into the dashboard. Then I'm just going to the step. This is the first step. I'm just going to the OrangeHRM and I'm writing it there. Navigate to the OrangeHRM login page. Then second step, entering valid username and password. Just follow the pattern, and then entering the click on button for login, and then for assertion, and then another assertion. So this is the thing. Everything is organized, and you can see it. Everything is organized deeply. To wrap up, using test.describe to group test and test.step to break down actions helps in creating all structured, readable, and maintainable test scripts. It also provides detailed execution reports that are useful for debugging and ensuring your test runs smoothly. Let's run it. So let's stop it first, and I'm just going to make it run there, and you can see it, OrangeHRM login test. I'm just clicking on there, navigate to the OrangeHRM login page. It will be gone. Just wait for some moments. It is going. This is taking some time for loading, and it's entering the username and password. See, this is so cool. You were just entering the password and login. And I'm just waiting for the login. Yeah. What's the reason? Because the roll button is not working, right? So how can I write it? So there is a roll button, and I'm just writing it there. Yes, and this will be running again. Let's check it. Just waiting for to load everything. Yeah, yes, everything is done. So these are the all steps. You can see this is very readable, and you can track also. So everything is done. Thank you for joining the session on enhancing Playwright test tabs. Happy testing.